Hi everyone, my name is Cecilia Oluwaseun. I have a master's degree in cell biology, and the reason why I'm doing this video today is to educate us about a particular nutrient which is readily available in our daily fruit. And this major nutrient I'm talking about today is called lycopene. Lycopene is a strong antioxidant readily available in day-to-day fruits that we eat, such as tomatoes, watermelon, strawberries, papaya, cabbage, and other fruits. The importance of lycopene can never be overemphasized. Actually, a study has shown that lycopene can actually help us to reduce and control prostate cancer in men. This study shows that men that takes minimum of 9 to 21 milligram of lycopene, which is rich in tomatoes daily, can actually prevent themselves from having prostate cancer. Also, the same studies shows that women that take lycopene-rich fruits such as tomatoes, watermelon, strawberries, a minimum of 9 to 21 milligram per day, can actually help them to control and prevent breast cancer and other diseases such as liver cancer, lung cancer. And also, lycopene can actually help us to reduce and control blood pressure and reduce aging and increase longevity. Studies has proved this. The lycopene is a strong antioxidant that help us to control free radicals in our body, free radicals in our cells that could cause diseases in our body. Today's video, I'll be blending 3 major fruits that have this lycopene in them in certain amounts of quantity. I'll be blending tomatoes, which has a lot of lycopene in it. I'll be blending watermelon, which has significant amount of lycopene in it. And I'll be blending strawberries, which also has significant amount of lycopene in it. And one thing I am requiring from you today is to please share this video so that others out there can know the benefits in them taking tomatoes every day, taking watermelon, and also taking strawberry. Keep in mind that lycopene can help us to increase longevity. It can help us to control aging. It can also help us to control sunburn. And the importance of lycopene can never be overemphasized. If you like this video, please share this video with your loved ones. And for more videos on healthy diet and meal, check out my YouTube channel, Cecilia Howard. And remember, God is everything. God has created all these fruits, vegetables, roots, and tubers for our use. Let us take advantage of this. And also remember, except the Lord build a house, the builder build in vain. Thank you so much for staying tuned with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll be blending these ingredients. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.